Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find the Elegant Flower Beetle in Heartopia. So you'll find it around the Whale Mountain area, and basically it spawns from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. and it only spawns when it's either raining or when there's a rainbow. So I'm just going to kind of look all over this area here and see if I find one. Let's use this just in case it appears. And let's also use the Sense Booster. Ah, found one! Yay! This is what the beetle looks like, super cute. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Also, you will need to be level 7 of insect catching hobby. But yeah, that is it. Oh, there's actually a lot. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!